Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So this video will be on how you get this simple look, easy, quick, and simple. I'll also be doing a review on this hair that I received from Remy Hair Store, so you guys stay tuned for that. If you guys just want to skip to the hair review, I'll leave the number somewhere at the top so you guys can just go ahead and skip to it, or if you guys just want to skip to the video, I'll leave the number there too. You guys like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, let's get into the video. This hair is amazing. This hair is affordable. I already installed it. I received an 18, a 16, and 14. I did cut it to my liking because I wanted it to look kind of natural. My actual hair is kind of like all over the place in lengths, kind of. So I did it that way. I didn't use a closure. I left my natural hair out. I do have a headband on now, but that's just because I was doing my makeup and I didn't want it to get in the way. This hair has no shedding. This hair does not tingle. It did not have a smell, which was a plus. Communication was amazing. I did reach out to them before I did the review, so they were quick in responding back to me, or whatever the case may be. So I really do think you guys should check them out. They are very affordable. They do have colored hair that you can already buy. They have frontals, they have lace fronts, they have it all. So you guys check them out. If I do get a promo code, I will leave it in the description box for you guys. And yeah, if you want to see how I curl this hair in another video or something like that, you guys let me know and I'll definitely do that for you. I'll probably do it anyways, but yeah. I will be coming back with some more affordable hair, probably from them, so you guys stay tuned for that. First, I'll go in with some moisturizer from Clinique. Lately my face has been super dry, and it's just summertime too, so I'm ready for it to get cold. Anybody else ready for it to get cold? Because I am. I've also been having these liver spot problems on my face, so I need to definitely check that out. But I know that it's like from not drinking enough water, and plus my face hasn't been moisturized a lot, so yeah, to that. So now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the matte plus poreless, and this is good for oily skin, so I'll go ahead and use that. And this is in the color 340 Cappuccino. Rice paper. It is a translucent paper. This is to absorb oil and blotting tissue. So I'm just gonna put that all on my skin. Okay, so now that I set that into my face, I do want to go in and highlight under my eyes. That's about it though.
Quiz Cube, play that beat again. Quiz Cube, play that beat again. Quiz Cube, play that beat again.
Now that I'm done with that, I do want to go in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette. This is in the color Caramel Toffee, and I'm going to set my eye with this side and this side. So I'm just going to go in with this foundation brush that I have, and I'm going to set my top eye.
Quiz Cube, play that beat again. Quiz Cube, play that beat again. Quiz Cube, play that beat again. Quiz Cube, play that beat again.
Now I'm going to go in with the Mega Plump Waterproof Mascara by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to put some mascara on my eyes. In with a second coat after I feel like it's dried up enough. Now I'm gonna go with the LA Color lip liner and line my lips. So now I'm gonna go in with the Liquid Lip Shine by New York Color, and let's see what color this is in. Soho Peach, and that's 630. Now I'm gonna go in with some blush, and now we almost done. So I don't have an actual like blush kit, but I do have my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which is full of numerous colors, and it's a little dirty because I play in this palette a lot. I'm just gonna use this section right here, and I'm just going to run my brush down it.
Quiz Cube, play that beat again. Quiz Cube, play that beat again. Quiz Cube, play that beat again. Quiz Cube, play that beat again.
So this is my simple makeup look. It didn't take no time to do it, and yeah, there you have it. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching.